Start by plugging in the lights for the front rack. Next, secure the front rack with 4 Phillips screws. Secure each side body piece with the provided Phillips screws. Slide each drive motor over the axle on its corresponding side. Slide on one of the rear wheels, followed by a washer and a cotter pin. For the front wheels, start by sliding a washer over the axle, followed by the wheel, a second washer, and the cotter pin. Next, flip the vehicle right side up. Plug in the drive motors. Now it's time to test the vehicle to ensure the drive motors were installed properly. Remove the steering wheel bolt, then plug in the steering wheel cable. Slide the steering wheel into the steering shaft, then re-secure with the provided nut and bolt. Plug in the cable for the windshield lights, then the windshield will snap into place. Snap each door piece in, then secure with the provided Phillips screws. The rear body piece will snap into place. Remove the pre-installed seat screw, slide the seat into place, then re-secure with the Phillips screw provided. The mirrors will snap into place. The hubcaps will also snap into place. Start by screwing the base of the shifter into place, then screw the top piece of the shifter into place. To pair the remote, power on the vehicle and hold the top center button.